Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I guess technically would be part 2. So I did the extensions video and now we are on to the nails. If you want to watch that, I can go ahead and push that up at the top. I can put that up at the top in like the corner. What are they called? Cards. I can do that. Since I'm building up my nail stuff, I now have videos that people can reference, and not gonna lie, it feels really good. Okay, into the tutorial. I am doing a simple layer all over the nails, and a little bit later we get a little bit more fancy, okay? So we just put a thin coat of this color, and I do take it off my pointer finger. That's why you're not seeing it in this tutorial, this part. Like, I skipped it because I didn't mean to do it. So before I cure it, I literally wipe it off. Okay, so we are doing a thin coat, and for me, when I do the first layer, it's always super slow. You can see here, it's very slow. And I kind of pillow the gel on the nail to around the cuticles and then kind of bring it towards the middle. That's the perfect example right there. So see how I'm like pushing it out to the side and then bringing it towards the middle, and then I swipe down the nail. That is my pretty much standard go-to for like applying gel. I take it off the brush, go towards the side, and bring it towards the middle. And it works for me. I try to keep the gel off my nails or my cuticles, my fingers. Not always good, but I try. So I am taking, again, just that nice simple layer, and we are going to do the second layer really fast, and I'll let you watch that. I bet you could tell I fast forwarded that, didn't you? All right, so we are taking the Light Elegance Buttercream in gold, and I love this color. I used it a lot during my Christmas season or holiday season if you don't celebrate Christmas, and I put this all over the nail. Again, taking my time, getting it perfect, trying to just make it all nice and pretty, because we are going to take the buttercream glitter, the first one from Light Elegance. I hope they come out with more. I loved it so much. So I actually do 2 layers of this, and I kind of plop a little bit of a bubble down and like work it out. I try to keep most of the bulk towards the center of the nail, and then fade it out towards the sides, because if you do too much on the sides then they get bulky, but you know. All right, second layer. Now we are going to take one step here, and I'm going to drag it down the nail, like really kind of work it in. You can see I'm pushing quite hard on my brush. You'll see it kind of like bend. And then I take a nice big glob, too big, way too big. And you can see me recover from this. It was a little bit of a disaster, but I do recover. And then I think I show you one more, and then I fast forward. I believe so. I may have cut most of them out. I'm not quite sure, but I think you see 2 of them. All right, so I cut them out. And you would think I would know that because I've tried to do this voiceover 3 times. It's fine. All right, so I have buffed, filed, cleansed, all that good stuff. And I am applying the second coat. Now, I had a little bit of that gold pigment still left in my brush, and I cleaned it, as in like I just pull it out. But I think there's a little bit too much in my brush still, but it's okay. You don't really end up seeing it at the end. You do see a little bit, especially in the video, you see it quite a bit because I'm under my studio lights, so everything's like really bright and like overly contrasted. But I promise you don't see it as much in the like real world as you probably do in this video. So once we do that, we are going to pop it in the lamp and let that cure. And all like the base part is done, ready for the fun part. I am taking the chrome. I don't have the name of it. I am so sorry. This was given to me and I know, I hate that, but it was given to me in a swap. And then we're taking that buttercream again, and I'm placing it where I want to and moving it around. So I'll let you watch this in real time.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the...
All right, I'm taking Super Shiny. So here, this is the only one that is shiny. Yeah, I know I have glitter on the other nail, but this is, oh no, I lied. The chrome one is also shiny. But before I put the top coat on the chrome, that is actually Light Elegance's tack, which is going to keep it from chipping. I know. I heard it from 2 other planner. Oh my God. I just edited a planner video. I'm sorry, from my other channel. I heard it from Talia and Ivory that it does work, and I have done it before and it does work. So I continue to do that. So the middle and the pointer are actually with flat matte, and I will do flat matte on the thumb, and then I will come back in with Super Shiny with over that tack.
Upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
All right, I wanted to show you before I actually go ahead and put the kind of cuticle oil on, because it is matte now and eventually it will be matte again, but even though I wipe it with the cuticle oil, it doesn't necessarily always work out. So I loved these so much. I hope you guys did too. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.